Hi guys, this is Lara. How about we take a walk into space today? How about that? And I'm just gonna pick some color from the palette. The brush size big, opacity low. There we go. I like to work with low opacity and then just build my way up. Some blue in there. It's pretty dreamy, huh? Like a bunch of different clouds. And what I'm doing here is essentially a bunch of different clouds. Well, a bunch of clouds, but in space. Now, if you're wondering, where in space do you get clouds? Ever heard of a nebula? A nebula is basically an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen gas, and plasma. Yep, sounds really pretty, huh? Well, it actually really is. It's gorgeous. Just look up a nebula on Google. It's really something. Grab some more purple. Let's darken this up a bit. As I was mentioning earlier, I like to build starting with very low opacity and then just putting layers on top of other layers. You know, feel free to work the way you find best suits you. Everyone has their own ways. And take some white now. And basically do that. Once again, very low opacity. Change the brush to that little star-shaped one. Kind of actually looks like a sun. And a nice edge. Kind of fun. Now, let's sprinkle some stars on here. I'm using the same star or sun type brush. Just sprinkling some stars. As you can see, I've played around with the size and opacity of the stars to give it some depth. We'll give them some depth. Did you know that I have never been to a planetarium before until last year? Went to the one in Hamilton, Ontario. It was really, really nice. Well worth the trip if you ever feel inclined to do so. Highly recommend it. Ooh, there's this brush which is like a cluster of little dots. I think they work very well for little stars. Oh, there you go. They're like little universes further away. Little clusters of planets and stars. Making their own little families. Go back to the regular circle. Just for fun, I'm going to add a little planet right there. Oops. Let's use a yellow for the ring. Change it up a bit. Oh, that's... Probably need to raise the opacity a bit there. Let's try that again. Now this is pretty much it, but just for fun, we're going to add one last thing. This is my very lame attempt in trying to make a TIE fighter, which is a ship from Star Wars, if anyone's wondering. And there we go. Thanks, guys.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.